Hey there, telehealth providers. I have a question for you. How important is video quality? Have you ever wondered how you can get video from looking like this to looking like this? Well, I have great news for you. If you have a Canon DSLR or a mirrorless camera and you use Windows, you can now use it as a webcam for free. Instead of using an expensive dongle, which you used to have to purchase, all you have to do now is download the beta software from the Canon website. You plug your camera into your computer with a USB cable, open up Zoom or whatever teleconference software you're using, and boom, you're good to go. I'm Sal with the Future PT, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your camera and computer to get better quality videos today. First, we download the utility software from the Canon website. The link is provided below. Unzip the downloaded file, install the program, and then reset your computer to finish the installation. Turn on your camera and put it into movie mode. Set your exposure settings so that the image looks exactly how you want it to. You can now connect the USB cable to your camera, and then for the final step, plug that into the USB port onto your computer. From here, all you have to do is open Zoom or your other teleconference software, go to Video Settings, and select EOS Webcam Utility Beta, and you can now use your camera as your dedicated webcam. And that's basically it. If you found this tip helpful today and you want to get more information on how you can evolve your practice, come find us at thefuturept.com. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.